Sport is under influence of political governance. It's very clear. These are steering mechanisms by governments and sport governing bodies to achieve common goals. But sports is also under influence of the corporate governance, a normative approach to managerial behaviors of sports organizations. Sport and Olympic Games have been used in the history to make political statements, but politics also organized boycotts of the games. However, the fact is that if sportsmen have used the sport mega events to make political statements, sport is indeed able to facilitate diplomacy. As stated by the United Nations, and I quote, "One may wonder, what does sport have to do with the United Nations? In fact, sport presents a natural partnership for United States system. Sport and play are human rights that must be respected and enforced worldwide. Sport has been increasingly recognized and used as a low-cost and high-impact tool in humanitarian development and peace-building efforts, not only by the United Nations system, but also by non-governmental organizations, governments, development agencies, sports federations, armed forces, and media." I would like to introduce the concept of paradiplomacy. Stéphane Paquin, who is a researcher, states that paradiplomacy happens when sub-state governments have a mandate to negotiate with international actors. He also writes, "The new system of international relations in Belgium allow regions to become real international actors, including the power to sign treaties with sovereign states." This evolution has been fully used by the Minister of Sport of the Flemish community in Belgium to maximize the image of Flanders, for example, when creating a cycling team called Topsport Vlaanderen in 1994. Not today, in 1994.